Hello, my name is Yalei Ramirez and
Maureen Sofía Guerrero Ramírez.
today we will prepare with flour custard.
The ingredients are milk,
With
flour,
cinnamon, and
sugar.
preparation. We boil 1 liter of milk with sugar and cinnamon. We mix the flour with milk. Stir everything until cooked.
This is where flour custard.
And let it cool to heat. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Magnifique and perfect.
Yummy, yummy.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.